In this video, we will see how to install pgAdmin 4 on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Then we will connect PostgreSQL. Okay. First open any web browser. Then go to pgAdmin official website, that is pgAdmin.org. See here, pgAdmin is the most popular and feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL, the most advanced open source database in the world. Okay. So scroll down, then click on download. Then for Ubuntu operating systems, we have to click on this apt under this pgAdmin 4. Okay, so select apt. See, it supports on Debian 11, 12, Ubuntu 22, 24, 24.10, 25.04. Okay, so I'm on Ubuntu 24.04.3. Then we have to run these commands one by one. Okay, and also see here we have two modes, desktop mode and web mode. If you want to install only desktop mode, we have to run this command. If you want to install only web mode, we have to run this one. But if you want to install both the modes, you have to run this command. Okay, so I want to install both the modes. Then open the terminal. Then copy these commands one by one. Copy up to the end. Then paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Then create the repository configuration file. So copy this entire line. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Control it. Now install. See, as I told you, I am going to install both the modes. So we have to run this command. Sudo apt install pgAdmin 4. Okay, but if you want to install desktop mode, just you need to go -desktop, or the web mode you have to go -web. Okay, so I want to install both the modes. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these additional packages and these suggested packages. Okay, type and hit enter. See, this is the download size for the pgAdmin server. See, we have successfully installed. Okay, now open the pgAdmin desktop application. Go to show applications. Go to next page. See, here we have the pgAdmin 4. Click on it to open. See, you got the pgAdmin 4. Click on expand servers. See, you don't have servers. Now right click on it. Then select register. Then select the server. Then provide the connection name. Connection name can be anything. Then go to connection tab. Here we have to give the host name or address. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine, or I can give the IP of this machine. Port number 5432, maintenance database, Postgres, username, Postgres, then provide the password. If you want to verify the username and database, just connect to PostgreSQL from the terminal sudo su-postgres psql /du. See here I have the user Postgres. If you want to verify list out databases /l, see I have the database Postgres. Okay, so provide the password of this user. Then click on save. See, I have successfully connected. Expand it. Expand databases. See here I have this database. If you want to run queries against this database, click on it. Then right click on it, open query tool. Now we can run the queries here. Okay, and if you want to create database, right click on databases, then select create, then select the create database. Then we have to fill all these mandatory fields. Okay, see here we have different options like table space and other information, template and all. Okay, so we have to provide the name of the database. pgdb, name can be anything. Then ID it will automatically create it. Then you have to select the owner from this list. Then you have to click on save. See, new database pgdb is created. Okay, this is the way. Even you can also verify again by running this meta command. See, new database is created. Okay, this is one way. by using GUI tool. Another one is web mode. Okay, go to configure web server, you have to run this command. Copy it, go to terminal, exit, Ctrl A. Now run this command. Now provide email address and password to use for initial admin user account. So I am giving remember this one, later we need this username or email to connect to pgAdmin web application. Set the password, confirm the same. Type and hit enter. Again type and hit enter. Successfully made. This is the web interface to connect. Okay, so go to any web browser, give localhost or loopback IP, then pgAdmin 4. Okay, hit enter. Or you can give the loopback IP 127.0.0.1 / pgAdmin 4. Hit enter. See here, it is showing 127.0.1. It means it is loopback IP. Okay, so for both localhost or loopback IP, you got the same login console. Then provide the username that we have set while installing. See here, I have given this one, so we have to give same. Paste it. Then provide the password of this user that we have set. Hit enter. Never. See, we have successfully logged in. Now if you want to connect to server, click on add new server or right click, select register, again select server. Now we have to provide the connection name UB pg176, then connection, provide the localhost maintenance database. This is the maintenance database, username Postgres, then provide the password of this user, then click on save. See, we have successfully connected. See, everything is same like as desktop mode. Okay, see, we got the same databases, logins and everything. If you want to create login, right click, login on group roles, then select the create, then login on group role, then provide the name test user, then you have to click on save. Also if you go to SQL, it will populate the syntax. Okay, click on save. Everything is done. See, new user is created, new role or user is created. Okay, in this video we have seen how to install and configure pgAdmin 4 on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Then we have connected PostgreSQL from the both desktop mode and web mode. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.